so damn lost. What I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight.
So now we have come to the 15 Candolim Ocean Bar, which is the first restaurant from our top 5 restaurants in Goa series. So different shots and वगैरह तो सब लोग अभी देख ही चुके होंगे. But for now, let us go and talk to the manager of this property.
Tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run.
Hi, it's Dino here. I manage this place as 15 Kandolim. So we are known as for the seafood specialty. When it comes to like normally people think Goa is a party place. Like they need to change a point of view. Goa is a good for a seafood also.
Hi, my name is Varun. I manage the digital front for 15 Candolim. So you can find us on Instagram and different places. It's a really great opportunity. We hosted My Food Blog Kolkata, and it's a beautiful place. I urge people to come down and visit us and give us a chance to host you with our food, with our cocktails, an amazing sea view also at the same time, right? And I'll ask you guys, आपको कैसा लगा खाना यहाँ का?
So the first thing that I'll be trying will be the chef's special salad. So it's fruit based, and I usually don't like fruits. So let's see how this goes. It's very, very light, very fresh, very refreshing. Coming on to the next one is authentic veg momos, and this is an authentic chutney for the momo. It's really, really good. So coming on to the pizza, it's thin crust, looks very promising, and it's called the Meat Overload Pizza. This is one of the best tasting pizzas I've ever had.
So now we are about to try the masala pomfret. So there are two big pieces of marinated pomfret, which is grilled or fried, I guess. So let's dig in. Looks really amazing. The fish is very fresh, and the marination is also really tasty. It's similar to a tandoori masala, but then it has some Goan spices to it, which gives it a tangy taste, and that's just amazing.
And every time I'm so damn lost. What I loved and what
So now we're at the second place of our top 5 restaurants in Goa series, and this place is called the Copper Leaf. It's near Kalungute area, and we have a lot of things planned out to show you guys.
we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Hello, my food blog. Welcome to Goa's favorite fine dining restaurant. I welcome you all to savor the delightful, delicious dishes prepared by our chef. So the legacy starts around 5 years back, where we set up a Goan seafood restaurant. We specialize also in Mughlai and Chinese dishes as well. We are specialized in our thalis in the afternoon, which consists of nice fresh seafood.
Good evening, sir. This is the red snapper fish. It's a very fresh fish, catch up the day. We prepare to your taste buds. Especially, we like to recommend the guests for the Goan preparations, which is 2 preparations we can have in one fish, which is half rava fry and half masala fry.
Okay, so we are going to try our first starter, which is the Banarasi kebab. It's a chicken kebab, and it's a fusion preparation. So let's see how this tastes. So flavorful, extremely soft and succulent. Amazing. Then came the red snapper, prepared 2 ways. Both were Goanese preparations. One is the famous rava fry, where the fish is coated in rava or suji and deep fried, and the other one was a gravy preparation which had lots of masala and Goan spices, and it tasted amazing.
Prawns curry with bhindi, crab shakuti, tishno sukha, prawns kishnu, mixed vegetable, kingfish rawa fry, gulab jamun, sol curry and salad.
So this is something that Copperleaf is very famous for, their authentic Goan thalis, and these thalis are available only for lunch. We tried the kingfish thali and it was absolutely amazing, highly recommended. We also tasted some of their North Indian delicacies, which included chicken biryani, butter chicken, and an assortment of naan or Indian bread. And we finished the meal with a beautiful Goan dessert called Sera Jura, which basically has coconut cream and biscuit crumbs, and it was also amazing.
And every time I'm so damn lost to what I
So the third restaurant of the top 5 restaurants in Goa series, and we are here at
Square Sparrow, which is at Anjuna, very near to Anjuna Beach, and they serve a wide variety of options from Indian to Chinese to continental. So we will be trying some continental and Italian food, also some shakes, and we are really excited for it. It's quite hot and this place is really chill and really calm. The vibe is amazing.
हाँ मतलब chill scenes तो है, मज़ा तो आता है.
बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है. तो हम बस अभी खाने का वेट कर रहे हैं and we will let you know how the food goes.
swear we never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever. Another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Now we have come to the fourth restaurant of our top 5 restaurants in Goa series. That is the Prana Cafe here in Anjuna, near Anjuna. And here we will be covering everything about the restaurant as we did in the earlier ones. And as you can see, it is quite different from the others. The ambience, the vibe, everything is different. And in Goa especially, हर एक restaurant में खुद का एक अलग vibe होता है. हर restaurant, हर cafe अलग होता है, अपने तरीके से वो special होता है. So let us take you through the Prana Cafe.